Good morning, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Let's start with SPX cycle chart. So let's show you weekly analysis. So we are in a topping process. So I just wanted to make sure you are all aware that uh, we need to be very careful here. Okay, so if you look at this dotted line here, this is weekly analysis. I'm looking for a dump, and that can take us from now until sometime in August, maybe end of August, a decline into that, and then another rising phase, which will go till I guess December, and then a decline later on. So this is my overall analysis. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this is a significant pump from where we were last time. We got a nice dip to now where we are, almost 12.44% pump, and even higher on Nasdaq. Lock in profits. Okay, guys, wait for this dip. I'm looking for around 3 to 5% corrections from where we are right now. So from here to, like, let's say around 3% will be around 5400, but I think major support is around 5300. So probably around here, this previous high, back test that. So that's what I'm looking for, and then I will be buying. So don't. I know market keeps going higher. It feels like it will never go lower, and I don't even know what will trigger this market to go lower. But every bull market we get dips. Okay, every bull market needs to have dips. So just keep that in mind. It's going to be a very healthy for a dip to happen. Okay, so this is daily chart now. Focus on this yellow cycle, looking like we are going through a topping process, and eventually we should look for a decline. So focus on this yellow cycle. So you can see this white line, looking for this to top, and then a decline into from mid of July to like sometime in August. Okay, so that's overall. So now you know that, and let's go side by side. On S&P 500 on the left side, right side is the daily chart. Left side is only for day trading. Those who are new, red lines are where we sell, green lines are where we buy. In a bull market, I don't like to short in a red line. I wait for price to go in the green line, and I buy. And if you want to know more about this, you can click the join button in the description of this video. I share this level with my members every hour, and I'll show you something on Russell 2000. You can see nice dip yesterday, and now today we are going towards sell zone again. So you can see very nicely this indicator gave you 1% already. So pre-market, you should be looking to get out of Russell. You can see it's already up. So anyhow, go back to S&P 500 near sell zone right now. Not much. It's near new highs, so nothing very overbought. You can see light green background, so nothing much to share here. Nasdaq is same thing here. Okay, so keep going higher, very overbought. It will eventually fall, but right now it's in the new highs. Uh, yeah, let's see. I want to see when the topping happens and then a decline happens. US 30, Dow Jones was also a nice pump from the buy zone yesterday to the sell zone, and now in the neutral zone. So also it's trying its best to hold the trend, and eventually the Dow Jones should also break out whenever the right time happens. Russell 2000, like I said before, in the sell zone. So if you bought near the buy zone green line, look, you should be looking to sell right now in the market open or pre-market if you can. CNI is which I bought yesterday. I share my the stocks I buy with my subscribers. So also that's other benefit. As soon as I make a trade, I share with them. And you should be, if you want to know what I'm buying, you can buy with me. You can again subscribe. Okay, so it's in the buy zone, so that's what I'm buying. And near lows, so you can see equal lows with divergence on RSI and PPO. So it has everything it needs for a higher momentum. So I'm looking for a breakout. So we'll see. CP rail is same thing. I just wanted to show you CP rail as well in nearby zone. Higher highs, higher lows. So looking for a bounce here as well. Let's go. Let's keep moving to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now again from buy zone. It now sorry. So from the buy zone, you can see bounce here around 55k. Bounce to like around 59k. Now in the neutral zone, Here it's struggling because it's right in the middle of trying to go above this 200 EMA and SMA. It's not going to be easy. It broke down. Now back testing, a rejection here can take to the next target. So if I go to the gap analysis, you can see I have this predicted here for you guys. I was looking for a rally, that's what we are getting, but I'm looking for that rally to fail, okay? So this rally should fail, and then the decline which I'm looking in SPX, that should also decline Bitcoin to like maybe around at least 48K or like around 40K. That's what I think will happen. So just keep that in mind. And on Ethereum, this rally should also again fail and then take it to maybe around 2800 to 2200. So that's what I'm looking for, and then we will get a sizable bounce after that. So just be careful on crypto. That's what my advice is. So right now in the neutral zone day trading chart, if we go below 57K, it will be looking to bounce. Ethereum levels are same thing here, going towards neutral zone. Came from buy zone. You can see it went above below 2800, and then it went to like what 3100, so almost what 10% pump. All right, so let's keep moving. Let's see what else is here. Let's look at commodities. Gold is trying to pump, so you can see again gold also went from buy zone to the sell zone. Nice trade here on gold and trying to reverse trend, although getting a 8 count sell signal, so just be a bit careful. So looks like a consolidation of some kind, maybe it's trying to rally, but in the short-term chart near sell zone. Silver is same thing here, changed trend already, new high, and in a neutral zone, silver can still go a bit higher from here. Copper is in the neutral zone, also changed trend, so any dips you can look to buy. Crude oil is little weak, but in the buy zone right now. So also on a daily chart, you can see it was flagging, broke out. Now it's in the, again the range where it should be holding support also near this yellow line, which is 50 EMA, holding support there. So even if it can fall little down, around here is also nice support around 78K. So again, this could be inverse head and shoulder. You can see it's trying to make that, and then it could break out. So also it's summertime, so a lot of people might be traveling, so that's why it's also very bullish. Natural gas in the middle neutral zone. Um, Again, change in trend, lower lows. So any rallies could be looking for a lower lows. There's a gap around 1.95, so maybe they are coming to fill this couple of gaps here. Palladium in the neutral zone, nothing much to report here. Soybeans was down, new low, so that's not good. But again, it's a divergent low. RSI and PPO, you can see uh, higher high. Price is going lower, but price is uh, also it's in the buy zone short term. Sugar is also in the buy zone. Probably this is happening because of dollar. I will show you later. Might be dollar might be getting strength. Sugar building a base. Also now finding support on this white line, 20 moving average trying to bounce from here. Wheat, wheat is also near support. Um, I mean in the buy zone. Um, Consolidation here, good level to buy. Corn near lows of the year, and again in the buy zone. Dollar, let's see dollar. You can see dollar is that's really weird because dollar is also weakening. All these commodities also weakening. So that's like something is happening under the hood which I'm not aware of. So maybe because of high interest rates. Uh, we'll see. What else is here? CLS, one of the subscriber wanted me to review. CLS is in the neutral zone, not able to cross above this 60K, $60. And on a daily chart here, we can see price is making higher highs. You can see, and you can see this is RSI, it's making lower high, okay? PPO is making lower high. So you can see that means there is a divergence. Let me get the arrow. You can see divergence here, divergence here. So that means the good thing is it's above all moving averages price. I have to do a gap analysis. There's a massive gap here around $48. So at some point it will come down to correct and fill this gap. So and you can do some gap analysis yourself. But you can see this gap here. It could come to fill that gap. I don't know what other gaps are there. I have to look at the chart later on. There's another gap here. You can see a little bit of gap here. So what I'm trying to tell you is, you can see this decline here. Same thing happened here. This time frame around April, you can see price was making higher highs, and you can see here PPO RSI was making lower high, PPO was making lower high, and then we got a correction here. So we got a correction from top to the bottom around 21%. All right. So if you get a 21% correction here, so from where we are to like, see, 18% will fill this gap, and then 23% will fill this other gap. So what I'm trying to tell you is at some point this $48 will be filled, so be very careful. Hopefully this is helpful. Hit the like button. All right, so Tesla, parabolic, all right, near sell zone, so many gaps, they will fill at some point, not interested at all, just avoiding all the Tesla pump. Apple, near sell zone, same thing. All tech stocks are like really um, pumping so much, looking for a decline. Amazon here in the neutral zone. Netflix is also in the neutral zone. I'm trying to be quick on these just to show you levels near sell zones. I don't see anything in the buy zone, so I'm just quickly reviewing and seeing if there's anything interesting. Meta actually, what was this? Meta actually touched the buy zone yesterday. Interesting. I did not realize that. Uh, Microsoft is also touched buy zone and bouncing. Snowflakes. Snowflakes also in the buy zone yesterday. Very nice. On a daily chart back testing, there's still a gap around 135. NVDA, let's see, NVDA is in the sell zone. AVGO. AVGO is also near sell zone. AMD near sell zone again after that massive pump. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you have anything you want me to review, put a comment and I will look at it into next video. And let's look at VIX to wrap up. Again, VIX is building nice base here, guys. Nice base. It's going to bounce, so be careful. A bounce is coming in VIX. That means a nice dump, 3 to 5% correction is coming on S&P 500. All right, guys, take care. I wish you all the best for today, and hit the like button on your way out. Take care. Bye.